Importing WhatsApp chats from a text file into WhatsApp on Android doesn't work. That is because WhatsApp exports chats as a plain text. It lacks the formatting and metadata required by WhatsApp to recreate the chat history. Second, WhatsApp uses a proprietary format. WhatsApp uses a specific format for storing chat data that cannot be directly imported from a text file. So, what are the options for importing WhatsApp chats on Android? First, the most reliable way to import WhatsApp chats on Android is to use the Google Drive backup feature. Make sure backups are enabled in your WhatsApp settings. When you reinstall WhatsApp on a new device, you can restore your chats from the Google Drive backup. Second, there are several third-party tools that claim to import WhatsApp chats from text files, but their effectiveness varies. These tools often involve extracting data from a text file and converting it to a format compatible with WhatsApp. However, proceed with caution as these tools can pose security risks.